In the jungle's heart, past the vines and trees, is a school for beasts beneath the breeze. No humans near, just fur and feather, learning wild and wise together. The lion roars, now class be bold, stand your ground, be brave, be gold. He teaches strength with noble grace, while cubs all puff up in their place. The owl in glasses, wise and old, reads big books with tales untold. Think before you leap, she hoots, wisdom always beats wild boots. The monkey though, oh what a clown, swings from lights and turns upside down. He hides the chalk, he steals the snacks, he draws mustaches on the backs. Elephant studies memory charts, while parrots recite their speaking parts. The fox debates with clever charm, and deer learn how to spot a harm. Turtles take notes, very slow, but always write what they must know. The crocodile's strict and never late, keep the class in line, well, almost straight. Every day ends with a cheer, another wild school day done for the year. They pack their books and swing and play in jungle style, the animal way.